Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find your messages within the Webull application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the menu icon down below in the right side corner. Then you should scroll down to the messages section, and here you can find all of the messages that has been sent to you within the app. If you want to check them out, tap on the relevant one. Here you can see it. If you tap on the more button in the upper right corner, you can disable push notifications if you would like to disable them, and you can also clear them by sliding to the left side and click on delete. Tap on OK and then it will be deleted from the messages section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.